Hey, this is Rushi and I'll be sharing my review of the new brand Be My Curl. The 3-step process consists of a deep conditioner mask, a primer leave-in, and a styling gel. To get started, I'll be using Seal the Deal Deep Conditioning Mask on wet hair. The instructor states to use on towel dry hair, but because I have low porosity hair, I'm applying it to soaking wet hair. As you know, if you have a kinky curl texture like mine, the shrinkage is real. This curly girl friendly line is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. For a more favorable outcome, I double-stranded twisted my hair in sections. Then I covered my hair with a plastic cap, leaving on the mask for 20 minutes. For my next step, I applied the main squeeze leave-in primer to soaking wet hair. This leave-in is meant to restore, balance moisture, and reduce frizz. A win-win for me. Who wants unintentional frizzy hair? Not I. For my final step, I'm using the hydrating gel Let's Get Kinky specifically for kinky curly hair like mine. Be My Curl also has a hydrating gel to have and to hold, specifically for wavy to curly hair textures. Overall, I was pleased with this styling gel. I don't usually like to style my hair with any type of gel, but the ingredients in this product were phenomenal. Hydrolyzed rice protein and aloe were added benefits, just to name a few. And I love that it did not have that sticky effect that most gels usually have, and I'm thinking that's because of the aloe that was contained in this product. But overall, I would highly recommend this new line by Be My Curl from beginning to end. It's definitely going to be my summer go-to, and for the most part, I guess now my spring go-to, since I've been using it for the entire month so far. But I would highly recommend this, and I will definitely put the product description down below so that you can review. And also, I heard that they have a salon here in New York, so if you are in the New York area, definitely check out. These products are 100% sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. Not only was it easy to style for my hair, it was simple, great ingredients, it's cruelty free and vegan with organic ingredients. My hair was soft and my curls were defined.
Hey guys, I'm Rushi's sister. If you like this video, subscribe below. Hit the thumbs up button. Bye.
Can you stop crashing my videos?